Hey everyone, time for another Monday tip from Holston and Huntley. After an accident, many people may feel overwhelmed by the chaos and emotions swirling around them. However, one of the most crucial steps you can take, regardless of how you feel in the moment, is to seek medical attention. You might be thinking, I feel fine, or I don't want to overreact. But the reality is that some injuries, like concussions or internal damage, can be deceptive and not immediately visible. Prompt medical evaluation is essential to catch any potential issues early and to document your condition for future legal proceedings. Remember, your health is your wealth, and taking the necessary steps now can safeguard your future.